I'm Shruti Nandurlikar. I wish to share my experience of pharmaceuticals. As I had interest in statistics, I decided to complete my post-graduation in it. I wanted to get a job in industry, but I didn't know how to get it. I was very tense in last semester of my college. I knew that I wouldn't get a desired job because in college there is emphasis on theory only. So I came to know about pharmaceuticals in my last semester of college, that it trains fresher statisticians to enter industry as biostatisticians or statistical research programmers. Then in immediately coming batch with a big hope, I joined pharmaceuticals. We were taught biostatistics, clinical trials, and SAS programming with practical oriented examples, which increased our interest in these fields. Along with these things, we were taught so many things that we need to live a satisfied and great life. Everyone went there was worried about his future, but Nirali ma'am boosted our confidence. She taught us how to overcome adversity in life. There were personality development lectures. We were taught how to perform in an interview. She put lot of efforts for our progress, and she used to pay close attention to everyone's progress. After training was over, we could notice that how we were when we went there, and how much we had changed after we finished the training in terms of body language, confidence, and English communication. After we returned home, we participated in PSF, that is Pharmastat Statistical Forum, where our senior pharmastaticians share their industry knowledge with us so that we can be aware of different domains, as everybody works with different domain. I want to thank Nirali ma'am and Pharmastats for everything they did for me, because of which I am here today joining Tata Consultancy Services as statistical programmer. This is my Pharmastats family, where everyone helps each other in every way, and we will continue to do so for lifetime. I thank Pharmastat and Nirali ma'am for brightening lives of many of us with your great support. Thank you.